Dear students, today I would like to teach a new topic, that is degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison are applicable only to adjectives and adverbs. Remember, nouns and verbs do not have degrees of comparison. Adjectives change in form to show comparison. This is known as degrees of comparison. There are three types of degrees of comparison. 1. Positive degree. 2. Comparative degree. 3. Superlative degree. Read the box given here. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree are given. Cold, colder, coldest. We have added er to form comparative, est to form superlative. Hot, hotter, hottest. Then beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. In this we have put more before beautiful to form comparative, most before the adjective to form superlative, most beautiful. Then good, better, best. This is an irregular comparison. Completely new comparatives are formed in this model. Let us see another slide. Let us see all the three types one by one. First one, positive degree. Ramu is a tall boy. Tall is an adjective. This is in positive degree. Here there is no comparison is made. Next, Ramu is taller than Raju. Taller is a comparative. Here we are comparing two persons or two things. This comparative degree used when two persons are compared. Third sentence, Ramu is the tallest boy in the class. This is in superlative. Superlative is used when more than two persons are compared. Degrees of adjectives are formed in different ways. Most adjectives or adverbs form the comparative by adding er and the superlative by adding est to the positive. See the table. PD, CD, SD. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Great, greater, greatest. Short, shorter, shortest. In this table, CD is formed by adding er, SD is formed by adding est. Let us see next model. Able, abler, ablest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Brave, braver, bravest. To the adjectives in the box which are ending in E, only R and ST are added to form comparative and superlative respectively. Let us see another table. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. When the positive A ends in Y preceded by a consonant, we change the Y into I before adding er, est. See another model. In some cases, more and most is put in front of the comparative and superlatives respectively. Careful, more careful, most careful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Popular, more popular, most popular. Let us see another table. Irregular comparisons. So here they do not follow above rules. They take a new form in comparative and superlative. Bad, worse, worst. Completely new form. Little, less, least. Good, better, best. Let us see another slide. So I have given you three methods to change the degrees of comparison without changing the meaning. You have to learn these three methods. so that you can write answers in your examinations. Okay, so without changing the meaning, you have to change the degrees of comparison, right? So what is method 1? Let us see. Method 1 is positive degree. In positive degree, as plus adjective plus as, this is a model. When you change degrees of comparison to comparative, the sentence structure is not plus adjective plus than. Okay, let me give an example. Mohan is as big as Suresh. As big as is the model. This as big as changes in comparative degree. See, Suresh is not bigger than Mohan. Okay, so let us see. In the same model, we see negative model. Not so plus adjective plus as. When you change this into CD, you have to follow this structure. Adjective plus than. I'll give you an example for this negative also. Italy is not so large as India. When you change this into comparative, it looks like this. India is larger than Italy. Adjective larger plus than. So this is the change. Let us go for second method. Second method, no other, so or as plus adjective plus as. In comparative degree, it is adjective plus then any other. In superlative, the plus adjective. So you have to remember in your examination, if a sentence is given in positive degree with no other, you have to change into CD using than another. In superlative degree, the plus adjective. Okay, this is the model you have to follow when you transform the sentences. Okay, let me give an example for this model. No other English poet is so great as Shakespeare. When you change this into comparative degree, Shakespeare is greater than any other poet. We have used any other. In superlative degree, Shakespeare is the greatest of all the English poets. The greatest. This is the change. Okay, let's go for third method. Very few. Very few, as plus adjective plus as. In comparative degree, the structure is adjective plus then most other or many other. In superlative degree, one of the plus adjective. So let me give an example for this also. Very few kings were as great as Ashoka. When you change this into comparative, Ashoka was greater than many other kings. Many other kings. In superlative degree, Ashoka was one of the greatest kings. So observe the model. Very few, then most other are many other, then one of the. So I will give you examples, more examples for this for these three methods. So let us see method 1 in detail. I will read out the sentences. Listen to it carefully. So Ram as big as Suresh. Ram is as big as Suresh. When you change this into comparative, Suresh is not bigger than Ram. So remember the model, as plus adjective plus as. when you change into CD, not plus adjective plus than. Okay, so this next negative model. Italy is not so large as India. Answer is India is larger than Italy. I have already given you in this sentence in your previous. I have already explained it in your previous slide. So let us see third sentence. Sony is not as tall as Sweetie. Sweetie is taller than Sony. Next sentence. Lata is as good as Rakesh. Rakesh is not better than Lata. Pawan is as clever as Manoj. Manoj is not cleverer than Pawan. See the model method 1, as big as becomes not bigger than. Next, in negative model, not so large becomes larger than. So this is the change. I hope you understand it very well. Let us go for next method. In this method, this is no other model. I have already told you that no other, so or as plus adjective plus as in positive degree. In comparative, the structure is adjective plus than any other. In superlative, the plus adjective. So remember the rule and read these sentences. Okay, I'll read them aloud. Listen to it carefully. No other English poet is so great as Shakespeare. Shakespeare is greater than any other poet. Shakespeare is the greatest of all English poets. No other place in India is as beautiful as Kashmir. Kashmir is more beautiful than any other place in India. Kashmir is the most beautiful place in India. No other planet is as big as Jupiter. Jupiter is bigger than any other planet. Jupiter is the biggest of all planets. You see, so great as becomes greater than in comparative, the greatest in superlative. No other, as beautiful as becomes more beautiful than any other in comparative. In superlative, the most beautiful. You know this model, beautiful, more beautiful, the most beautiful. So let us go for third method. So I have already told you the structure. Very few, as plus adjective plus as. In comparative, the structure is adjective plus then most other or many other. In superlative, one of the plus adjective. I will read out all the examples. Listen to them carefully. Very few kings were as great as Ashoka. Ashoka was greater than many other kings. Ashoka was one of the greatest kings. So I think you have observed the change in comparative and superlative. Change is as great as in positive, greater than many other in comparative, one of the greatest in superlative. Next sentence. Very few cities of India are as big as Mumbai. Mumbai is bigger than many other cities of India. Mumbai is one of the biggest cities of India. Very few men are as wise as Tagore. Tagore is wiser than most other men. Tagore is one of the wisest men. So with this we have finished 3 methods to change the sentence, change the degrees of comparison without changing the meaning. I hope you understand very well. I have given you some exercises also. I have given you 5 sentences. You change them into degrees. I have given you it, given you I have given brackets, so note them down and try to change the degrees of comparison. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.